Join us on an emotional roller coaster as we witness the extraordinary moments when deaf individuals are gifted the sense of sound. This baby got her first hearing aids and just couldn't stop giggling.
You want to talk a little bit? Wow.
Does Dad have a funny voice?
No.
What do you think?
Riley. Riley.
Hi, baby. Hi.
What you doing, pretty girl?
I love you. I love you, Riley. I do. Hi.
A baby boy received his hearing aids for the first time, and it's stinking cute.
What do we think? Well, we'll just see if he reacts, how he's reacted to it. What do you think? Hey, can you hear Mama? Blinking a little bit with it. Did you hear Mama? Hey. Blinking when he's talking. Hey, Tristan. Can you hear Mama? You hear Mama? You hear Mama? Hi. Hi, Pumpkin. Oh, hey. Oh, don't mess with it. It's weird, huh? Nope. Hey. Hey, yeah, that's Mama.
This deaf toddler heard sound for the first time.
Wait. Waylon. Hi, Waylon. Hi, Waylon. Way.
Wait.
Hi. Hi, Waylon. Hi, baby. Hi, Way. Do you like it? Hi. Hello. Hi, sweet man. What is that? What's going on? Oh my gosh. Hi. Hello. Hi. What do you hear? Do you hear that? Hi. Yeah. Is that crazy?
This toddler was born deaf, so when the doctors turned on his new hearing aids, he got so excited as he could hear everything for the first time.
Junior. Hi. How are you? Hi. Junior.
This girl heard herself for the first time, and her reaction is priceless. This kid could hear clearly for the first time, and those eyes tell the whole story.
Hi.
Does it sound different? Does it sound different? What does it sound like? Is it louder?
Yes.
That's so cool.
You like it? Yes.
And you told me you didn't need it, remember? You said, I hear just fine.
This patient was able to hear again for the first time in 5 years.
How does that sound?
Sounds okay now?
You can hear my voice?
Yep.
Perfect. I'm gonna turn it up and let me know if it's more comfortable, okay? All right, I'm talking to you now. How does that sound?
Good.
Is that pretty loud?
No, not overly loud.
Okay, so it sounds comfortable?
Yes.
Perfect. Is this way better than when you came in?
Yeah, I couldn't hear at all when he came in.
No, and now you can hear with the
I
hearing
mean, I
aids.
could hardly hear any with hearing aids in.
Yeah.
When I come in,
Yeah.
I couldn't hear anything without hearing aids.
Yeah,
And then now I can hear perfectly good.
that's good.
This baby boy finally got his hearing aids, and those little hand twirls are so cute.
Hi.
Hi, Bubba. Hello.
Hi.
How you doing?
Is everything new? Dada. You said mama. Hi.
This little one heard for the first time, and it was such an adjustment for her. Ryan had an adorable reaction to getting his hearing aids and being able to fully hear for the first time.
Hey, buddy.
Hi, Ryan.
Hi, Ryan.
Hi.
Hey, Ryan. Hey, bud.
Hey, Ryan.
Nice.
This baby hears his parents' voices for the first time, and it's so precious.
Archer. 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 Hey, buddy.
Can you hear us, Archer?
What do you
What do you think of that, Archer? Huh?
I love you. I love you. Are you excited? Can you hear everything? Can you hear
This guy who's hard of hearing was surprised with some new hearing aids, and it quickly got emotional. This deaf toddler heard sound for the first time.
Somebody taking your picture.
Did you hear that?
What's going on in there? What's going on in there? Do you hear me? Is your ear on? What do you think? Tina.
Waylon heard for the first time, and it's such an exciting moment.
Hi, Theo. Can you hear me? Hi. Hi, buddy. Can you hear me?
Can you hear your mama? Hi, bud. Hi.
Is that your daddy?
Can you hear me now?
Aw.
Wow, that's crazy, huh?
You hear it?
Yeah.
Do you hear your daddy? Hi, bud. Aw.
This was the moment little Nola could hear for the first time at 4 months old, and it was gorgeous.
Hey. Hey, Nola. What are you doing? Hey. Hey. What are you doing? Hey. You mommy? Happy. Happy. Oh, he's gorgeous.
This precious baby heard properly for the first time, and that smile at the end is beyond words.
Penelope.
Hi. Hi. Yeah.
This little one could hear the world clearly for the first time with his new hearing aids, and it's awesome.
Hi. Hi. You're such a flirt. Yes. Yeah. It's not too loud. Look at you listening. Yeah. Do you like it? Yeah. You can hear everything. Do you like it? Is that pretty cool? Yeah.
This deaf baby boy hears his parents' voice for the first time.
There we go. Well, hello. Oh, darling. Oh, hello.
Hi.
Oh, look.
Hi.
He's smiling. Hello, darling. He's smiling. He's smiling.
I told you it's not so bad once you see their
Hi,
response.
dear.
He's smiling,
Oh,
sweetheart.
isn't that lovely?
Winter is deaf and had never turned to her mom being called by her name. So this happened when she got her implants.
So cute on her. It's a little headband. You think it makes a difference right now?
I think she's taking it all in.
Really? Oh, wow. Winter. Winter. Oh my God. You can't hear better. What is mommy saying? Winter. She can't hear better. Clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yeah. Okay. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know.
A baby hears voices for the first time in his life, and it's so wholesome. This cutie was mesmerized when he could hear for the first time.
I just saw something.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey. Getting upset a little? Don't I?
Ready?
Hi. Yeah. Hi, honey. Hi, Johnny. That's pretty obvious, isn't
Yes.
Hi. Hello.
It was such an adorable moment when this little one could hear clearly for the first time. After being diagnosed with hearing loss as a 1-month-old, it was a special day as Jacob got his first hearing aid. Today was the day this gorgeous girl heard for the first time. MJ received his first pair of hearing aids, and the moment he realized he could hear was amazing.
Oh.
You tired already? You just put it on mine.
Yeah, okay.
You have to leave it on, okay?
While he's being quiet, I'm gonna run
Okay.
a test that's gonna help with that feedback in the left one. So if he can just stay quiet while I go.
Yeah, that is. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
And this is on right?
Yeah, it's coming on. It was beeping.
Hello?
No.
You heard? He heard you. He heard you.
Adam. Adam.
It was a heartwarming moment for this mom when her son could hear for the first time with his hearing aids. Kalani could hear for the first time, and her smile was everything. This kid could hear properly for the first time with his cochlear implants, and it's adorable. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure to check out this one as well.